description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Hey. So today, we've got the last of the Vecorn varieties made in Malaysia for the Singaporean market. This one is the one I've been waiting for. This is the spicy Sakura prawn soup noodle. I am a big adherent to the wonders and beauty of strong prawn flavor. Do we put this in first? No. Add noodles. Cook 5 minutes in 400. Add noodles. Wait, what? Okay. So, here we go. I am having a day. Today is March 16th, 2025. And I had my birthday. It was a good birthday, thank you for asking. A happy birthday. Not at first. I wasn't so keen on the whole idea of having a birthday to begin with. But I relented and allowed myself to enjoy the day. And that was good because my family wanted me to have a happy birthday. So I decided, okay, I'll have a happy birthday. Do what you must, but no more. Yeah, I had a good day. It started out just like, I don't know, it kind of stresses me out. Like, I don't want to have, like, everybody around me, like, be like, it's you, you know? But it ended up being good, and I had fun, and my family is wonderful, and I love them very much, and it was good, so thank you to them for making sure I had a wonderful birthday. Did a bunch of stuff. We looked at an apartment, and that apartment, I don't know, but it's so much cheaper. I don't know. So, obviously, as myself, I require a bit of shelf space for all the noodles and noodle bowls and stuff that I use for when I cook. And we saw a place that would save us like about $400 a month off of what we're paying now. The only problem is there's maybe a third as much, I think. I don't know, there really wasn't a lot of cabinet space to speak of. It was like a 3-bedroom apartment. No, the 3-bedroom would have cost about the same, more than what we're paying now. The 2-bedroom, though, I don't know, I think we could live with having a 2-bedroom for a little bit longer. There was one place that we really want to look at, but they're not, you can't because there's no availability. But that would be a 3-bedroom for like $16.95, a 2 or 3. Oh my God. We would have an extra like $600 a month. It's crazy. The amount that it costs for rent where we live in Kenmore is exorbitant, and they want to make it $200 more a month. That's why we're looking at moving. I mean, it sucks because I like it here. I don't want to move, but I think it's going to be a necessity, and we're really ardently looking at places. But yeah, the place we looked at, it was just like very few windows. They put more windows in bedrooms, and it's like, I mean, it's good to have windows in bedrooms, but we don't spend all this time in the bedroom, you know? So it's like, We'll see. And what else? Yeah, my wife got me a couple records and new shoes and a new hat. I'm stoked on my new hat. I will wear that for the when it's not raining. That's what it's for. But oh man, I just feel crummy today, just like gut sick. So hopefully I'll feel better. We'll find something. We'll do just fine, I think. I'm just ready for a nap. Ugh. Had cake and ice cream. I haven't eaten any ice cream like this year. So I had a lot of cake and a lot of ice cream, and now I feel like I felt nasty yesterday. I feel even nastier today. Ugh. But it was good. I was like, no, it was good, but I feel like crap. But it's rainy, it's wet. Spring will spring and be sprung soon. And that's good. I'm ready for spring. What else is going on? Oh, I got new friends. You want to see my new friends? We got a minute and a half. Come on. I just went today. And now we have mint. There's mojito mint and there's spearmint. And for what I'm doing today for reviewing, that's great because this kind of noodle from this kind of place, it likes mint. It really fits well with the vernacular. So yeah, there will be mint in this one. Yeah, I went and hiked over to the next town to get some mint. I didn't think they'd have any, honestly. That was a score. Big score. I'm glad you like watching the noodles. That makes me happy. Happy. It's almost done, then things can happen, but we have to wait for it to be done for things to happen. I'm ready to try. It's been a while. Alright. Now I'm going to show you what I do with the prawn stuff, because I really like prawn. The noodle's good. I've had this noodle before. It's a dry noodle. It's a non-fried noodle. There we are. We shall give it a taste. Cheers. Noodle's quite nice, has a good chew to it, round gauge. It's good. But this is the showstopper. Here, anyway. So you watch the broth. See how oily the broth is? It's sweet. It's sweet, it has a little bit of spiciness, a nice bit of spiciness. It's not leaning hard on the spicy aspect. It plays well with others. Yeah, I'm stoked. I like to work with stuff like this because this is like my favorite thing. Malaysian, Singaporean, Thai. I like working with everything, but there's something about that cradle of flavor area where this stuff is just like thick, oily, and strong. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Come on, get your comb over. Okay. Now I will do a taste with the magic at the end after I've taken the photos. But this is fried shallot. Well, I can have a pinch of it right now. Yep. Pretty standard stuff. You don't find that very often in prawn noodle. You'll also find, when I was in Malaysia, they had, what do you call it? You're not going to work there, are you? They had you all pretty and everything. They had on the table, they had like pork cracklings that you could add. And some of you might be going, but wait, isn't that like a Muslim country? It's like, yeah, it's not just a Muslim country. There are people of all backgrounds in Malaysia. And what was neat about that place that differs from here, and I'm not trying to shame on the US or nothing, but you ever hear the thing, they're like, oh, it's a war on Christmas, it's a war on this, it's a war on that. These people are taking over. In Malaysia, they celebrate everybody's holiday. Everybody. Like when we were, God, when were we there? They were doing stuff for Halloween when we were there, for God's sake. It was really funny. Which it didn't seem like that would be a holiday that they would be like about there, but they seem to be about pretty much every holiday you could think of. Ah, good. And yesterday I got new eggs. And these are the eggs I freaking adore. These are Happy Egg Heritage. And the Heritage eggs have that yolk, and I am a big fan of my deepest, darkest looking yolk. If that yolk is like that color, I'm pleased right now. I'm very pleased. So we need, let's see, we need a little bit of sesame seed, and notice the broth. Those sesame seeds are hanging out on top because that stuff is thick, chunky broth. So we need one thing, and I'll take you with me to get it. So we're gonna go visit our new friends. I named them too. This over here, that's Jimmy de Mint. Jimmy de Mint was last year's mint plant, and as you can see, I used so much of it, and it's pretty much just a twig now. But we have Mickey and Mallory. Those are the main characters from, what's that movie called? Natural Born Killers. That's right. I don't know. I think this year I'm going to be buying a lot of just straight mint plants because I'm hoping I'll have a lot of opportunity to be reviewing varieties that use mint, because mint lends well to them. There you are. How about right there? It's kind of tricky sometimes to find a good spot to place it, but I think that's going to work. All right, and there we are. There is our magical magic. Sweet. Maybe the next song will be better. Well, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, so that's kind of a little quickie of what I've been up to lately. Yeah, moving sounds kind of scary, but hopefully it'll work out well. And yeah, I'll have another review to do tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.